So good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are going to start the revision of the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current, and we are going to start with the topic that is Oersted experiment. All right. Am I audible to you all?
Sir.
Yes. Subrat has joined right now. Subrat, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we are.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are on a recording mode. All right. So please maintain the decorum of the class. And right now I'm going to show you a screen. Can you see the screen here?
Sir, it's clear.
It's clear. That's good. So let's see. Let's start today's class. All right. Today is 1st of February. Yes or no? Today is 1st Feb 2021, and we are revising the chapter. Which chapter, my dear? Magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, magnetic effects of electric current. You know that, Subrat?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So in the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current, today we are going to start from the topic that is Oersted experiment. O-E-R-S-T-E-D. Oersted experiment. Join the class regularly, and each and every chapter I am revising again along with the NCERT questions. Okay? If you have any doubt, then it will be all clear. Okay? Chalo, Oersted experiment. See, what is Oersted experiment? Anybody has any idea? Can you tell me? Subrat, you have any idea
No, sir.
regarding Oersted
No, sir.
experiment? All right. Very good. Keep yourself on mute. Okay. If you have any doubt or if I ask any question, then only you unmute and give me the reply. All right. So
No, sir.
this is what Oersted experiment is. Just see. First of all, let me take a wire. Okay. Let me take any conducting wire. This is any wire. Suppose, let me take this as copper wire. Okay. I have taken a copper wire, thin copper wire. Now what I have done, I have attached this wire with a circuit. I have attached this wire with a battery, with a switch. Can I do this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very easy. Alright. Now what I have done, I have closed the circuit. I have closed the circuit. Close the circuit means I have switched on the circuit. Switched on position or close means the same. Alright. Whenever at your home you switch on the current or switch on the electric bulb or switch on the, what I will say, the fan, that means you are closing the circuit. Understood this much? This is the battery with a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Whenever you are going to switch on or you are closing the circuit, closing the switch, what happens? Current will flow in the circuit. Yes? Current will start flowing in the circuit. Is that any problem? That current will flow in the circuit. Can you see the direction of the current?
Yes.
Can you see the direction of the current? Sujal?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's good. So current flows from which direction? Remember, current flows from which direction? Current
Positive to
flows from
negative.
positive to negative of the battery. Okay, positive to negative. It starts on the positive and it will end in the negative. So this much we know, we have learnt in the electricity chapter. That's correct. Now you see what I have done. I have brought a compass. What I have brought? I have brought a compass, magnetic compass here near the circuit. Okay, I have brought the magnetic compass near the circuit. Okay. So what will happen when I will bring the magnetic compass near the circuit? We know that magnetic compass always stays along the north and south direction of Earth. Okay? Magnetic compass always align, always stay at north-south direction of Earth. Yes or no? Yes or no? This you should know. Yes? a magnetic compass always stays in the north and always direct towards the north and south direction of Earth. Yes? But when you have
Yes, sir.
brought this compass near the circuit, okay, when you have brought the compass near the electric circuit, or I will say near the wire, this wire, when you have brought the compass near the wire, what has happened? Can anybody tell me? If you will bring the compass near the wire, what will happen? Subrat,
Sir, compass
Sujal,
needle dif-
the compass needle will deflect.
The
That's
compass
correct.
needle will deflect.
Fantastic. The compass needle will deflect. That is, it will not stay like this. It will not stay like this. Rather, it will get deflected in a direction like this, or it may be like this. Yes or no? Any one of it.
Yes, sir.
Any one of it. It will deflect like this. Okay? Have you understood? Now the question is why? So why the magnetic compass deflect? Can anyone tell me why the magnetic compass deflect?
because there is a magnetic around the wire.
There is a
Magnetic field around the wire.
Magnetic field, because of the magnetic present in the wire.
because of the
Around the
magnetic
wire.
field present in the wire. That's correct. That's correct. Absolutely correct. You see, whenever current is flowing in the wire, na? You see, whenever the current is flowing in the wire, just a second, there is some sensitivity issues. Okay. You see, whenever current is flowing in this wire, na, what will happen? This wire will carry some magnetic field. Yes or no? The wire will have some magnetic field. Okay? This is the magnetic field of the wire. We have studied whenever current flows in a circuit, it shows some magnetic properties. Yes or no? You see, this is the experiment which proves that yes, if current is there, then magnetic field is also there. Are you understanding what am I saying? So, whenever
Yes, sir.
current is flowing in this wire, then what has happened? You have brought the compass near it. As you have brought the compass near it, this compass needle gets deflected. That means what? This compass has a magnet inside it. You know that? The compass has a magnet inside it. And it is deflecting. That means what? It is deflecting. That means what? This magnet is facing some another magnetic field. Another magnetic field. Yes or no? A magnet deflect how? A magnet deflect how? By the presence of another magnet. Yes or no? A magnet deflect by the presence of another magnet. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That means near this compass there should be a magnetic field. There should be a magnetic field which is deflecting the needle of the compass. Yes or no? From there,
Yes, sir.
Oersted has proved that yes, whenever current flows in a wire or whenever current flows in a conductor, what happened? It show magnetic properties. Once upon a time, once early morning, you will rise up and say that if we pass current in a conductor, it show magnetic properties. Do anybody will believe? No, nobody will believe. You have to prove that. You have to prove that, and the proof is given by whom? Oersted. Okay, so this experiment has got the name Oersted experiment. All right. If you have
Yes,
any
sir.
sort of doubt with Oersted experiment, come on, tell me.
No, sir. No doubt.
Subrat and Sujal.
No, sir, no doubt. Absolutely
Fantastic.
clear.
Okay, that's good. If you have any, see, this is the last time I am revising this chapter with you all. Okay, one by one, each and every line of the
Okay, sir.
chapter. So if you have any problem, clear it now. Your board exam is approaching. All right. Now,
Yes, sir.
Now, if we have understood the Oersted experiment, now we are going to study a very, very important topic. Okay, you can't imagine how much important this is. This topic is called as magnetic field pattern. Okay, magnetic field pattern. All right, magnetic field pattern. Now, magnetic field pattern due to what? First of all, we will start due to a current carrying straight conductor. Any idea, Subrat and Sujal, any idea you have regarding this topic? If you have any idea, come on, tell me.
No idea at all.
Subrat?
So current carrying doctor.
Yes. So, what do you can say? The magnetic field pattern will look like what? The magnetic field pattern will look like?
So,
Pardon? Come again?
circle.
Circle. Very good. Okay? Okay. Stay on mute and see, is it forming a circle or is it forming concentric circle? Okay? You have to know the meaning of this. Come on. See here. Again, I have taken a wire. Subrat, come on, tell me which wire? Copper wire. Very good. Mute. Copper wire. That's good. Okay. Now what I have done, before taking the copper wire, I have to take a cardboard, my dear. Okay. Before taking the copper wire, I have to take a cardboard. Alright. Let me draw the cardboard first. This is a cardboard. Okay. Now I will take the wire. Okay. I have passed the wire through the cardboard like this. Is this clear? And
Yes, sir.
I have attached this circuit with a with a circuit. That is, I have joined a battery. This is the positive and negative terminal, and I have closed the switch of I have taken a switch, and during experiment I have closed it. Alright. Now, before closing the switch, what I have done, you just see. Before closing the switch, I have kept few iron crucibles or iron fillings. Rather, you can say this is iron powder. Okay? Or this is very small pieces of iron. Those are called as fillings, or you can say crucibles. Alright? Several names I have given to this. Whichever you remember during examination, you can write down. Iron powder, pieces of very small pieces of iron fillings, iron crucibles, all you can say. Is that alright?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Okay, sir.
during the experiment, let me tell you like this. When you are going to do the experiment, you have to close the switch. So, like this, you will close the switch. This is the symbol of a closed switch. Okay. What will happen? Come on, tell me. Current will pass in the circuit. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As current
Yes,
will
sir.
pass in the circuit, what will happen? This wire shows some magnetic properties. Tell yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding properly? This wire will show some magnetic properties. The copper wire is going to show some magnetic properties. And we have iron powder or iron fillings on the cardboard. Now, I have asked Subrat to take a pencil. Yes, I have asked Subrat to take a pencil or anything hard and tap it. Okay? I have asked Subrat to tap it. Slightly he will tap on the cardboard. Okay? Then what will happen? You see, whenever you are going to tap this, okay? Whenever you are tapping this, I'm sorry, everything got removed. Yeah? Just wait. Hold on. Just hold on for a moment, okay? Like this. Yes. So, whenever you are going to tap, what will happen? The iron crucibles start forming circles like this. The iron crucibles will start forming circles like this. Alright? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir. Okay.
These iron crucibles were all distributed on the board. Were all distributed unevenly on the board. Okay? Whenever you are tapping, they are forming circles like this. Alright? They are forming
Yes, sir.
circles like this. That means what? You have to keep the direction also? Yes. So they are forming circles like this. That's why we can say the magnetic field pattern. The magnetic field pattern. For whom? For a straight
Wire.
current carrying wire. Current
Carrying wire.
carrying wire will
Carrying
look
wire.
how? Will look like what? Tell me. They will look like concentric circle. Concentric circle. CIRCLES. Concentric circles. What do you mean by concentric circles? One circle inside another circle. Okay? One circle inside another circle. Okay? Those are called as the concentric circles with a common center. Their center is common. Alright? But the radius are changing. That's why they are called as the concentric circle. So, if somebody will ask you, Subrat, am I audible to you? Subrat,
Yes, sir.
if somebody will ask you that tell me the magnetic field pattern due to a current carrying straight conductor, what will be the magnetic field pattern? Then what you will say? They will form what?
Concentric circles.
They will form concentric circles. So,
Yes, sir.
previously you had no idea regarding this topic. Now, is there any problem, any doubts? You tell me.
No, sir. No, sir.
So, come again. What will be the magnetic field pattern for a current carrying straight conductor? Tell me.
It will be a concentric circle.
It will be concentric circles. So, can we sum up this topic? First of all, what we have done? We have taken a wire. Come on, tell me. First of all, what we have done? We have taken a wire.
Wire.
Next, we have connected the wire with a battery and switch. What we have done?
Connected the wire with a battery and switch.
Fantastic. Then what we have done? We have kept
Close
iron
the-
crucibles. We have done. We have kept iron crucibles on the cardboard. What we have done?
We have put iron crucibles on the cardboard.
Yes, Subrat. Understanding?
sir.
Yes. Next is we are closing the switch. What we have done?
Closing the switch.
Yes. Then what has happened? Current flows in the circuit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me. Next, what
Yes,
has
sir.
happened? The wire shows magnetic properties. Tell.
Yes, sir. The
Tell me.
wire's magnetic properties in the, and when we tap the cardboard with our fingers or a pencil, then
Yes.
the iron fields will form a concentric circle.
Beautiful. Beautiful. You have understood. Okay.
Yes.
Acha. So Subrat is here. Who else is here? Come on, tell me. Who else?
So no one. Sujal
one?
just left.
He just left, na? Okay, no problem.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have understood this thing? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No problem.
No problem. Fantastic. So if you have understood this topic, I think we should close the class here for today. And in the next
Okay,
class,
sir.
like this only, we will start revising circular loop, magnetic field pattern due to a circular loop. Yes? Have you enjoyed the
Yes.
class, Subrat? Any problem?
Yes, sir. No problem.
So try to attend the class regularly, and I think
Okay.
I can clear bit of your doubts. Yes, that you are having. Come up with your doubt in the class. Sir, I have problem in this. I have problem in that.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Tell me those things, and I will try to clear your doubts along with the revision of the chapter and NCRT questions and last 10 years board questions also. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for today. Take care. Bye bye.